Good morning. Just woke up. We've been sleeping so um, good. I slept so good today. Kasi when we left Japan, kasi we have to go to the airport and our bus pick us up at at 5 o'clock. Tapos actually when Joy is still packing her things, siguro mga 10 o'clock yon, I slept. So ako, then after that, nagising ako ng mga bandang 1 o'clock and I never slept anymore. So, ngayon, antok kaming dalawa niyang sa kapatid ko. Kaya hanggang ngayon tulog pa si Joy. So right now, I am having a breakfast prepared by my beautiful Marcia Mylene. Ayan ang TikToker yan eh. Tinuturuan nga ako mag-vlog. So anyway, she prepared me a nice breakfast. So did you see that? Filipino breakfast. I also have, look at that, banana. And of course, corned beef with, this is one of my favorite when I was young. Yung merong cabbage. Okay? Of course, a little bit of rice, of course. Anyway, yun. And I don't know what's gonna happen to me today. Just in the mercy of my sisters. Broke ako punta ng Amerika, ng Philippines. But you know, even I don't have money when I come here in the Philippines. I have 3 sisters taking care of me. Anyways, I thank God that I have sisters. And when I was in Japan, Joy and Gigi were taking care of me. Nakakatuwa. Alam mo, one incident talaga naiyak ako. So I asked my sister Joy kasi I bought a lot of stuffed toys sa Sanrio. Tapos saan napunta namin? Daimo ba yun? Where all the some toys. It's my first time to buy yung bunny stuffed toys. Anyway, sabi ko sa message ko sa kapatid kong si Joy, buy me a carry-on, extra carry-on. Nung dumating siya, wala. Hindi daw niya nakuha yung message. So, sabi, alam na wala ko, mainit ng ulo lagi. Sabi, wala akong carry-on. Andito ko ilalagay itong mga ito ko. Alam mo, sa totoo lang. Joy is our lawyer in the family. Si Jessica is our doctor. You know, the two of them went out at almost 8 p.m. Bunta sila sa tindahan, bumili ng carry-on ko. Saan ka makakita ng mga kapatid na ganyan, ha? Ako lang. That's why I'm so blessed. God is blessing me through my sisters. So, I know I've been praying for them. I've been praying for all my family. So, I'm just so glad that I have sisters like them. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow I'm going back home to Isabela and I'm gonna do a little bit of yung mga tao dun sa for sure maraming masaya, hindi na alam broke ako. Okay, babush, I'm gonna go eat now. I'm gonna go start eating pizza. My greenies. Let me try if it's still the same pizza when I was still here, okay? Oh my god. It's good. You know, Greenwich is my favorite pizza. Every night when I come home from work, I make sure that I have pizza because my firstborn nephew Juno loves pizza too. So I have to buy pizza for him. Good morning. Today is Sunday, January 5. And I'm going back to Isabela. I'm going to Isabela today, this morning. So I have a breakfast and Mylene made me a good breakfast. Like I have fried eggplant, bangus, of course, hot dog, and a soup. What can you say? Only in the Philippines. Before yeah, there's Mylene. Right there. Mylene. She makes me She makes me breakfast. In America, I make my own breakfast. Of course, I cook. In the Philippines, somebody cooks for me. That's really a good treat. Okay, babush. Okay, I'm now in Kawayan. The last breakfast I had was in Manila, in Taguig. And look, it's Manang Linda, aking nagluto ng breakfast ko. So she's preparing my breakfast. What's my breakfast today? Oh, I have tortang talong. And, oh my gosh, bilis. Walang pandesal. Wala. Ano, mabili tayo ng pandesal. Asan na si Maylin siya? And a coffee. Ay, malis na? Nandito ako ngayon sa kusina. Ito yung sinatawag naming dirty kitchen. Ang ganda ng aming dirty kitchen, oh. Oh, dirty talaga. Dito lahat nagluluto. Ito yung kusina ni Manang Linda. Ayan si Manang Linda. Ayan, kusina niya yan. Ayan. Eh, gumagawa siya ng pansit kabagan. Kaya lang, binigyan niya ako ng pansit kabagan. Galit yata siya sa akin eh. Tingnan mo. Parang, ano ito? Parang pares yata ito eh. Ano yan? Longganisa. Naglalagay pa sila ng... Oops, susubukan natin. Ang pansit kabagan. Eh, dyan yung chicharon. Ayan o. Ilinda yung cake dun o. Oh my gosh. Lahat naman kinakain ko ngayon dito eh. Bina-vlog ko. Ay, walang, kailangan ko ng karne. Ito o. Hindi, yung ano ko. Ito, konting karne.
Ito pa yung gulay niyo.
Gusto ko lang ng ano. Ay, pahingin nga gulay.
Ay, mamagyan ko lang ganito.
Ayoko niyan. Matamis yan. Masyadong matamis. Ano ba ito? Ah, mana, bigyan mo rin ako nun. Ano yan?
Lagay ko na lahat ng
Abang
kusino,
ako'y
ma'am.
kumakain. Teka, lagyan ko natin chicharon. Ito ang ginawa
Naman
natin.
sabay chicharon na.
Ito, oh. Buksan mo yung chicharon. Dito kami sa... Napakaganda ng aming kitchen. Kitchen lang yan, ha? Aba, ano yan? Alis na ba? Ayan ang amin sa'yo.
Hatid ko na.
Teka. Titignan natin kasi taste test ako ng ng niluto ni Manang Linda.
Mami, lagay ko na ito.
Tingnan na. Ay, in fairness, masarap naman.
Natulog.
Masarap, hindi ka mapapahiya.
Ito na ka lang, May.
Dalagyan mo ng ito, oh. Lahat na binigay niya sa akin. Ayan si Manang Linda. Ang tagal na yan sa amin. Gumagawa siya ng pansit kabagan. It's breakfast time again. And I've been vlogging all the food that I've been eating here in the Philippines. Then, my classmate Norman Claveria sent me because he owns stores in the market. And he sent me a pusit, pusit and tuyo. No, hindi, meron pa isa. May isa pa.
Balikat mo lang?
And then, I don't know, ano to? Pork yata to. And then, my favorite, ang palaya. And kamatis. Oh my gosh. Thank you for the breakfast. Good morning. Pasensya na, magulo ang aking buhok. Kagigising ko lang. I'll take a shower later. And I'm having a breakfast as I already got the... I showed you my breakfast today. And this is what you call tuyo. My friend Norman gave me this one. And, you know, yeah, I know that sometimes, something is wrong. Manang Linda! Ay, Maylin! Mayroong kulang si Manang Linda. Suka! You eat this with suka. Imagine, binablog ko yung pagkain ko ng tuyo. Wala naman suka. Ayan, meron ba dyan? Yeah. Sukang siling labuyo. Tapos meron pang binigay si Norman na pusit. Dried pusit. You know, I can't cook this. Even you buy this in the Asian store, thank you. Halika hindi, tama na. Hindi mo. Nag-prepare ka ng breakfast without suka. Yan mga Anyway, I can't cook this inside my house because it's so stinky. Lance would say, "What the hell is that stinky smell?" Anyway, here I eat with my ampalaya. So good. It's only here that I can eat such thing like this. Even this is stinky. The tuyo. Because we have dirty kitchen. I'll show you later. I think I'll put it here. We have a dirty kitchen. It's an open air kitchen. Actually, this is a clean kitchen, but Mom changed it because she had another kitchen outside. But anyway, my sister will renovate it and put all. She's gonna make a nice kitchen again. Our house is kind of like, it's big. Actually, I think the whole area is almost 3,000 square meters. Sa pang ganun. Almost. You can still build. We already built a guest house. 1, 2. You can still build 3 more houses or 4 more houses. But this main house is, I remember Dad will always say, this is almost like 860 square meters. So we grew up with a big, large room. So when I was working in PLDT, and of course I didn't know that I'll be coming to America. We're talking about square meters here, not square foot. Square meters, that is more bigger than square foot. So anyways, I went to go buy my own house, where Pag-ibig Fund will be funding it. So I went to the houses. My gosh, it's only like 90 square meters for a house. I said, what? This is the size of this house. Looks like just my mom and dad's room. Not that I'm bragging. It's just a matter of too small for me. Anyway. Oh my God. The tuyo is really good. I ate it bare hands. I ate it with tomatoes. Oh no. And then I ate my favorite ampalaya. I know. Lance will say, ew, you're eating by your hands. Well, this is our tradition. Filipinos, we eat by hands. It's so good. Try it. Okay? Thank you, Babosh.